Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essential tools are ready. JDK 11 or newer and Eclipse with Git support. Open a terminal or Eclipse Git perspective and clone the repository. This gives you the exact source tree. Once done, inspect the root for POM, XML, or build. Gradle so you know whether Eclipse should import as Maven or Gradle. Make sure the repo's Java target matches your JDK. Mismatches will create class path errors later, so fix Java settings now. Now import the code into Eclipse using File Import and choose existing Maven or Gradle project. This preserves build configuration. When the import finishes, set the project SDK to the same JDK you installed and enable build automatically so Eclipse compiles in background. Next, run a Maven update or Gradle refresh to download dependencies. This resolves missing libraries. If you see class path or compiler errors, adjust project properties to run, create a run configuration. Choose Java application for a main class or a Maven/Gradle run goal like Spring Boot run. Make sure VM arguments, working directory, and envars match expected settings so runtime behavior is correct. Once launched, monitor the console for startup logs and errors. If it fails, clean the project, rebuild, and rerun dependency refresh. Often IDE caches or mismatched dependency versions cause issues. As a key tip, delete the workspace, metadata, or re-import the project if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.